Knee-wise, do you feel it in both of them or just one of them?
A little bit of both.
When I lift it up, it should kind of come up smoothly and open up smoothly.
Yeah.
In your case, they're not. So let's do a little bit of soft tissue work on them.
Okay.
And then we'll use that little drop piece, same one we did on your shoulder back when we were doing that. So lift your knee up here, and we're gonna come with this tool. I feel okay? Mm-hmm. There we go. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Lift that knee up for me there. Good. I'd say probably just increasing the intensity of the workouts through football.
Yeah.
That's probably why these are a little tight, but what's the deal? So all we do here is a little twist and a little push. So right there. I feel okay? Mm-hmm. Good. Good. Let's recheck that. That's opening up a lot better. Good. Let's do the same thing on the other side. So right. Very good. Awesome. Let's recheck that. Yeah, both of those are moving a ton better. Good stuff.
Definitely feels way better in the back.
Back normal?
As close as it's going to get.